Using the tools and steps outlined in the operator's manual, you can easily install the control head for your Humminbird side imaging unit. Place the control head where you want to mount it. Note that you can also rotate the bracket to the top of the unit for overhead mounting. Be sure the mount has enough room for the control head and the cables, which will plug in behind the unit, to move freely. Once the location has been determined, remove the control head from the mount, place the mount back in the proper position, and mark the 4 mounting screw locations. You can do this using a marking pen, or as we show here, by only partially drilling the holes with the mount in position. Now, remove the mounting bracket and drill the 4 holes using a 5/32 inch or 4 mm drill bit. Drill an additional 1 inch or 25 mm hole to the rear and slightly to the left side of the center 4 mounting holes. Your power, GPS, and transducer cables will run through this hole to the rear left-hand side of your Humminbird unit. Place the hole cover over the mounting surface hole. Then mark the position of the 2 mounting screws. Again, you can do this with a marking pen or by partially drilling the holes as shown here. Remove the cover and drill the holes with a 9/64 inch bit. Install the cable grommet in the 1-inch hole, but do not install the cover at this time. The next step is to fill the 4 mounting bracket holes with marine-grade silicone. Here we've used clear silicone. Place the mounting bracket on the surface, aligned with the drill holes. Now insert the 4 mounting screws into the mounting holes you've just filled with silicone and tighten them. Double check that the mount is firmly in place. Now feed your power, GPS, transducer, and other cables through the 1-inch hole. Connect the power to the battery according to the instructions in your unit's operator's manual. Now place the cover over the cable pass-through hole, ensuring that the cables fit through the slots on the rear of the cover. Insert the screws and tighten them into place. Double check that you've left enough cable slack to allow the head to move through its full range of motion. Now insert the cable connectors into the proper recesses on the cable collector insert. These are keyed to prevent reverse installation. Once you've done this, you can attach the collector to its cover as shown here. Once that is complete, you can place the control head back into the mounting bracket. Tighten the gimbal knobs to secure the control head and plug the cable collector into the rear of the side imaging unit. You have now completed the installation of the control head.